Okay, so we're going to have a quick look at the Mercury 9.9 ready to go. We're going to get it ready for half term possibly, or late summer. I winterized this in the end of last year, and I popped in a new impeller. See the new bolts and whatnot. I popped it in, and I've noticed she's not pumping very well. I think I'm going to know why this is. On these, sometimes you have side grills at the side here, and they're like marks there, and that's what draws the water in. On this particular model, this is the 9.9. If I can see the date on this, I don't think I can. Let me have a quick look. I think it's a 1998 model. Anyway, 1998 something like that. Anyway, so if you look closely, look at that. Now this is the anode. So the anode is what the salt should attack first before anything else. So she's pretty clean actually, but then I'll take a closer look at the grill going in. This is the grill that sucks up the water into the impeller and then pops it into the engine to keep the engine cool. So we're going to pop that off now. I think, well, there is two separate screws. So the top one is for the anode and the bottom one is for the grill. It shouldn't be in too tight because it's only a soft piece of metal. Oh, well, a piece of metal. There we go. That was easy. Don't want to lose the screw if you can help it. So take him out like so. Pop him on the boat. Keep him safe. And it should just pop off. There we go. Where are we? Getting in focus. It's a bit messy. Yeah, and there we go. Now I cleaned some of this off with my thumbnail, but as you can probably see, I cleaned that a lot off with my fingernail. I realised that needs a good clean because it wasn't sucking out. It wasn't sucking up water properly. Okay. So there you go. That's the suction hole. That's clean as a whistle, so that's fine. So that's what draws your water up from behind the vent. And then the other one is the anode. If I can focus on that one. That needs a bit of a clean. It's because I left it in the tub and been testing it ready to go. So I'll give it all a wipe down and I'll bring you back in a sec because it's a bit of a mess. Okay, I'll get some WD. Okay, cleaned up beautifully. There we go. All nice and clean, anode, nice and clean. I don't know what it stands for. And then the grill, that's what it should look like. Alright, and to pop it back in, all you do, slide it. There's a little groove at the bottom, little tooth thing, that goes at the bottom like so. See that? Push it up and line up the screw. So I've got no tripod. And then, I'll just temporarily leave that like that, 2 seconds. There we go. Camera work's not the best, I must do it without a tripod. And there we go. You can't really over tighten it because it's just a piece of plastic. Right, get you in focus. Come on. And there we go. Clean as a whistle. And that should pump beautifully. I know it'll pump beautifully. I'm not going to put it back in the tub and test it because there's no need to, because it was working fine. It was just getting a bit clogged up, and when I took that off it was pretty well clogged. So I'm going to put it away now and then it's ready for transporting. If anybody can leave me a comment down below is the best way to transport an engine or to support it. I've seen people with a block of wood here underneath or in between here or something, because these things, this thing, it does weigh. It's a 4-stroke. She does weigh a bit of weight behind her. So there we go. There we go. If you enjoyed that, just a quick how to clean your air vent or your water vent, and where your anode is as well. Just take the anode off. Go on eBay. You can order them and just replace it. It's quite straightforward. Very, very easy to do. Alright, take care, catch you in the next one. All the best.